Hi, my name is Nicole Martin, and I'm a student at the University of New England where I work in the Reading Comprehension and Cognition Lab. Today, I'm going to be presenting my poster on differences in comprehension of expository and narrative texts on digital mediums. Let's get started. With recent advances in technology, more and more reading is being done on electronic devices such as computers, e-readers, and phones. This is something that impacts us all, and their increase in popularity is no surprise due to their lower cost, less impact on the environment, and being more portable. Although sales for ebooks used for reading narratives such as summer novels are at an all-time high, sales for e-textbooks are falling short. Students don't prefer textbooks online. Our lab was really interested in investigating why this might be. There are four main factors that might influence these sales differences, including passage content, passage writing style, reader skill level, and the device that they are using. For this poster, we're going to be talking about two types of content. There's narrative texts with content that's anecdotal, and there's expository texts with informational content. The type of content is important because it's going to impact processing. Narrative content processing focuses on a sequence of sense and decoding abilities, whereas expository content focuses on integrating prior knowledge and working through more structurally complex and dense passages. Besides the actual content, the writing style, or how the information is talked about, can also impact specifically through the aims for the reader to either learn something or tell a story. While there are general assumptions that the same content delivered in a different way will not impact comprehension, some research indicates that it might play a role due to the different goals associated with that style. Besides the passage itself, readers also bring different things to the table when reading. This is seen in skills such as reading skill. Less skilled readers may lack the metacognitive abilities to monitor their comprehension and therefore not recognize the ability to adapt to a digital reading medium. Finally, the device itself could also be playing a role in the reader's performance, as research to date has mixed results on if digital devices impact performance or not. Our study was really interested in examining whether people comprehend and learn information differently on an e-reader compared to print text. We did this through two different studies. Study 1 was aiming to confirm that content is more important than writing style, and Study 2 aimed to investigate how reading expository or narrative content changes depending on the device type. For Study 1, participants came to our lab and read one of 4 passages. The passages had either factual or anecdotal content that was written in either an expository or narrative style. Participants answered multiple choice questions, took the MMCB, the Multimedia Comprehension Battery, to determine their reading skill, and answered demographic questions. For Study 2, participants read both a narrative and expository passage, but it was either on an iPad, Kindle Paperwhite, or paper. They answered multiple questions about each passage and then took the MMCB and a short demographics. So what did we find? The results were actually quite interesting. Study 1 confirmed that text content played a more important role than writing styles. You can see this in Figure 1 and 2, where readers presented with anecdotal content had the highest recall regardless of the writing style or device type. For Study 2, we were able to confirm from previous research that high-skilled comprehenders score higher on the recall quiz compared to low-skilled comprehenders. This was no surprise. But both high and less skilled readers demonstrated the same pattern performance across device types, which was super interesting. This is seen in Figures 3 and 4, where readers using Kindle Paperwhite or paper had the same performance, yet iPad users had lower performance compared to either the paper or Kindle. Overall, these results suggest that utilizing digital devices designed for reading may be advantageous compared to a tablet not specifically made for reading. Thanks so much for tuning in. Feel free to comment any questions below or reach out to us using our contact information on the poster. We're so glad you took the time to watch our presentation, so thank you so much. Have a great day.